Good morning students. Welcome to the video lecturing on BSc Second Sem Mathematics on Jacobians. Today let us study on the problems on properties of Jacobians. So in the last video we have seen the properties of Jacobians. We have seen two properties. First one is the composite function property. This you have studied already. If u and v are functions of two variables r and s, and r and s are functions of x and y, then the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y is equals to dou of uv divided by dou of rs into dou of rs divided by dou of xy. This is called as composite function property. And second one is inverse property. So here if u and v are functions of x and y, and j is the Jacobian, and it is equals to dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y, then its inverse is denoted by j dash, and it is equals to this dou of x comma y divided by dou of u comma v, that is the Jacobian of x comma y divided by u comma v, that is the reverse of j. So and we have here, this implies j into j bar is equals to j into j dash is equals to 1. Let us take one example on this first property, that is the composite function property. If u is equals to x square minus 2y square, v is equals to 2x square minus y square, where x equals to r cos theta and y equals to r sin theta, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of r comma theta. So here first you have to write u and v as it is, and x and y also. So here what we have, what is given, u and v are given in terms of x and y, that is u and v are functions of x, y, and x and y are again, they are in terms of r and theta. So this implies here u and v are composite function of r and theta. Let us use the first property, that is composite function property. So here it is asked to find dou of u comma v divided by dou of r comma theta. So and it is equals to, we know here u and v are not in terms of r and theta. So first you have to find the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y, that is dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y, into again x and y are in terms of r and theta, into dou of x comma y divided by dou of r comma theta. And from the definition of Jacobians, we have here, this is dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equals to determinant of dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, and the second row is dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, into this dou of x comma y divided by dou of r comma theta is equals to, first with respect to r, that is dou x by dou r into dou x by dou theta, and second row is dou y by dou r in comma dou y by dou theta. So let us substitute the values here, dou u by dou x. Since u is given, u is x square minus 2y square, dou u by dou x is 2x, and dou u by dou y is minus 4y, and dou v by dou x is 4x, and dou u by dou y is minus 2y. You have to write here. And similarly second determinant dou x by dou r, and dou x by dou r is, here r is variable, cos theta is constant, so it is simply cos theta, and dou x by dou theta, so you have to differentiate this with respect to theta, r is constant, as it is root of cos theta is minus sin theta, so it is minus r sin theta. Similarly dou y by dou r is again sin theta, and dou y by dou theta is r cos theta. Let us expand these determinants. Cross multiply here, this is minus 4xy, and multiplying these two will get here plus 4 into 4 16xy, and here it is cross multiplying, you will get r cos square theta plus minus into minus plus again r sin square theta. So this is simplifying this, you will get here 12xy into, in these two let us take r common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. So this is 12. Substitute the values of x and y. X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, into this r, and we know cos square plus sin square is 1. So it is equals to 12, r into r is, r into r into r we have 3 times, so it is r cube cos theta into sin theta. So we can simplify this. Here we know 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So for that Let us take this 12 as 6 into 2. So 6 r cube and into 2 sin theta into cos theta. So it is equals to 6 r cube. We know this 2 sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta. So therefore here what we have? We have this is dou of u comma v divided by dou of r comma theta is equals to 6 r cube into sin 2 theta. Let us take one more example. If x equals to r cos theta and y is equals to r sin theta, then find this associated inverse Jacobian, that is j dash, and also prove that here j into j dash is equals to 1. So here this example comes on this second property, that is here x and y are in terms of r and theta, and it is asked to find here this is Jacobian of this one is j of x comma y divided by r comma theta. So its inverse, for inverse Jacobian we need r theta in terms of xy. So that is j dash is equals to dou of r theta divided by dou of x comma y, and it is equals to, we know here determinant of dou x, dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, and dou theta by dou x, dou theta by dou y. Take this one as equation number 1. So here x and y are given. First you write the given data. X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. So in case of j dash, we want what here? We want dou r by dou x, dou r by dou y, and dou theta in terms of x and y. So for this, first you have to find the value of r and theta in terms of x and y. After that we can differentiate this. So it is given here x and y. Let us squaring and adding these two. We will get here x square plus y square is equals to r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. Let us take r square common in this. You will get cos square plus sin square. It is equals to r square into 1. So this implies here r square is equals to x square plus y square, or we can take this one as here r is equals to under root of x square plus y square. So and dividing these two equations, y by x, you will get here r sin theta divided by r cos theta. This implies tan theta is equals to y by x, or theta is equals to tan inverse y by x. So let us come to this equation number 1. So in this we have here j dash is equals to dou of x comma y divided by dou of r comma theta. It is equals to dou x by dou r, dou x by dou theta, and second row is dou y by dou r and dou y by dou theta. Let us substitute the values here. So here it is equals to, this is equals to determinant of dou x by dou r. Dou x by dou r is again here, r is given, r is under root of x square plus y square, and sorry, it is not this one, it is j, no? Yes, dou x by dou r. Here x is r cos theta. Dou x by dou r is cos theta simply, and dou x by dou theta, differentiating partial with respect to theta, this one, it is equals to r as it is root of cos theta is minus sin theta, and simply dou y by dou r is sin theta, and dou y by dou theta is r cos theta. So let us expand this. After expanding you will get here r cos square theta plus r sin square theta. Then this implies here j is equals to take r common. So it is cos square plus sin square, and this implies here j is equals to r into 1 is equals to r. Take this one as equation number 2. Now let us find here j dash. J dash is equals to what we have here. J dash is nothing but, here we have j dash is equals to dou of r theta divided by dou of x comma y. This is from equation number 1. So dou r by dou x. Dou r by dou x is here derivative of r with respect to x. It is 1 divided by under root of x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square is 2x. Similarly dou r by dou y. Dou r by dou y is what here, differentiating this again, it is 1 divided by under root of x square plus y square into derivative of x square plus y square is 2y into 2y. And the second row is dou theta by dou x. You know theta is tan inverse y by x. Dou theta by dou x means first you have to differentiate this with respect to tan inverse. So derivative of tan inverse of y by x is 1 divided by under root of, 1 divided by 1 plus y by x whole square into derivative of y by x partially with respect to x. So here y is constant as it is, derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Similarly, dou theta by dou y. Dou theta by dou y is, again it is also same, 1 divided by 1 plus y by x whole square into derivative of y. So here 1 by x is constant as it is, derivative of y is 1. So it is equals to here determinant of this one, and let us simplify this one here. It is equals to j and this one j dash is equals to, simplify this one, cross multiplying these two, you will get here x square divided by under root of x square plus y square into x square plus y square, cross multiplying these two, and this is minus, so minus into minus plus, it is y into y is y square divided by same under root of x square plus y square into x square plus y square. So both the denominators are same. Let us substitute here. We know x square plus y square is r square and this is r. So x square by r cube plus y square by r cube. Let us take LCM. R cube is LCM. Adding numerators, you will get x square plus y square, and we know x square plus y square is again r square. Simplifying this, you will get here 1 by r. Take this one as third equation. J dash is equals to 1 by r. And from equations 2 and 3, we know equation 2 is j. J is equals to, we know, r, and j dash is 1 by r. Multiplying these two, you will get here r and r get cancel. So r and r get cancel. It is equals to what? J into j dash is equals to 1. This is the inverse property of this Jacobian. So here in all the problems, while finding the inverse, after multiplying j and j dash, you will get definitely 1. Let us take one more example. If u plus v is equals to e raised to x cos y and u minus v is equals to e raised to x sin y, then find dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y. So here what they have given? They have given u plus v and u minus v. First we have to find u and v. After that we can find its Jacobian. So u plus v and u minus v are given. Take these two as equations 1 and 2. Let us add these two equations. Here adding v get cancel, you will get 2u. Adding these two equations here, these two equations here, after adding you will get here u, this is v get cancel, it is 2u, it is not v. This is 2u is equals to e raised to x into cos y plus e raised to x into sin y. So this implies here u is equals to e raised to x divided by 2. Let us take here e raised to x common, and this 2, if you take in denominator, it becomes divided by e raised to x divided by 2 into cos y plus sin y. Take this one as third equation. So now subtracting these two equations, subtracting u get cancel and it becomes plus. So u plus this is v plus v is 2v. 2v is equals to e raised to x cos y minus e raised to x sin y. So again this implies here v is equals to, again you take 2 in this side, becomes divided by, and e raised to x is common we have taken, it is cos y minus sin y. This is equation number 4. Now let us find the Jacobian of this one, that is dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equals to dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y. So this is equals to, let us find dou u by dou x. Here u is given. Dou u by dou x means cos y plus sin y is constant. You have to treat this one as constant, and derivative of e raised to x by 2 is e raised to x by 2. And dou u by dou y, here u x is constant, e raised to x by 2 is constant, derivative of cos y is minus sin y, derivative of sin y is cos y. And dou v by dou x, here also this is constant, cos y minus sin y keep as it is, derivative of e raised to x by 2 is e raised to x by 2. And dou v by dou y, here e raised to x by 2 is constant, keep it as constant as it is, and the derivative of cos y is minus sin y, minus derivative of sin y is again here cos. Cross multiply, expand the determinant, you will get here e raised to x by 2 whole square into minus sin y plus cos y whole square, and minus e raised to x by 2 whole square into cos y minus sin y whole square. Let us here e raised to x by 2 whole square is e raised to, you have to multiply the powers, 2x by 2 into 2, 4. I have taken here minus sign common. Both the terms contains minus sign, so I have taken minus sign common. So remaining term here, you have to expand this sin y plus cos whole square. It is sin square plus cos square plus 2 sin y into cos y. Here also I have taken minus sign common. It becomes plus. This is a minus b whole square. So it is cos square y plus sin square y minus 2 sin y into cos y. Here plus 2 sin y minus 2 sin y cos y minus 2 sin y cos y get cancelled. So after adding these to here, cos square plus sin square is 1. Here also cos square plus sin square is 1. So e raised to 2x divided by 4 into 2. So it is 2 2 is 4. It is equals to minus e raised to 2x divided by 2. This implies here dou of u comma v divided by dou of x comma y is equals to minus e raised to 2x divided by 2. So this is the Jacobian of u and v with respect to x and y. Here they have given u plus v and u minus v. This is the result we have proved.